The job before this, I was a team leader for Cineworld, which was a really good job, but it was in retail, people based, which I really liked. But then found this job really, and I wouldn't go back to it. I would stay in recruitment. Just all the support. It's really the people. The people make it a good place to work. You've got all the management team, you can go to them and speak to them about anything, even the smallest thing you can speak to them about. Then you've got the team. My team is great, even the whole team as a whole, you could speak to anyone in any division, and they're just always there to support you. But my team especially, I've obviously got a special love for them. I work in the manufacturing department, and they're absolutely brilliant people. My manager Matt is just really supportive. If I ever have anything I do worry a lot. You know, they're always there to just motivate me, keep me going, and I wouldn't change it for the world really. I started the course as the complete recruiter course, which was, because I'm a 360 consultant, I'm supposed to sell and resource. So that course had about 29 units, and it was split in between resourcing modules and selling modules. So it really did benefit me because it gave me the skills and knowledge of both areas. Which it was really helpful. I learned how to place candidate with the complete process in screening the candidate from the beginning to handle any objections they have, to getting them ready for interview, and then pre-closing them, and then the same sort of thing with selling. So it's really good, it's quite in depth, and now it's just sort of putting it into practice and getting everything ready and sorted, so it's good. It's really good that TXM has supported us and given us that opportunity to do the course.